Hello, I wanted to show you this Japanese hair mask that is available for purchase on Amazon. I just wanted to talk a little bit about the product, show you how to use it, and then just give you my overall honest review of the product. But here's what it looks like, so I can kind of demonstrate it too. I don't have a hairbrush on me, but I usually take, so you do it after you wash your hair. So you wash your hair, you let it dry, and then you kind of part it into sections. I can kind of show you, like I'll do it on one section. You just take the take your hair, kind of comb through it, kind of brush it out, and then you just take the mask. And I really only use a little bit because I find like a little bit goes a long way with this stuff. But here's what it looks like. It has an amazing smell to it as well, which is really nice. But I will just take this mask, and yeah, again, I really only use a little bit. And then just kind of put it on the hair, and I'll just kind of comb it through just like that. And then I'll kind of go section by section, and I'll just kind of divide my hair out and just kind of just like that. And then that's pretty much all I do, and then I just kind of leave it there, and then I'll go the next section, next section, next section, all the way around my head. But I did want to show you what it looks like as well. It smells so good, which is something I really like about this hair mask. But yeah, you just leave it in, and then you rinse it out afterwards. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy this product.